Alright, so today we're going to save you $300 with a set of Bunnings flares. Alright, so you just go to Bunnings, get a set of 10 metres of lawn edging. No one will ever know once you take the sticker off. Just looks like that. Then you got yourself perfect flare, flexible, so when you hit stuff, doesn't do any damage to your panels like the normal fiberglass flares, and it's $300 cheaper. Alright, so this is the other side we've already done before. Just a couple of screws, as you can see underneath, or tech screws underneath, run along, bit of silicone, and then just attach your mud flap to the bottom. And then you get no spray, no nothing, and the police will like you. So all you need is just your drills, your pliers, and some screws. I just use some 8G 20mm. Bunnings where I got the flares too. Alright, so you just measure up your flares along the sides. We've already done that here. And it just sits. So you just roughly measure it along the edge, put a bit extra on it so you know you don't come up too short. And firstly, I've just got to seal my guard together with a bit of black sealant, just so the crack doesn't go anywhere. So now I've finished the black silicone just to stop the vibrations between the two guards, because I cracked the last one when I pulled it off. But now we just got to put the guard on, and I've just got a tape measure so I can start off how far out I want it to go, which I worked out on the other side with 60mm. So I've just got to do the same on this side. So you just roughly line it up to where you know you got enough on there. So about there's good for me. Then I like to start in the corners, because if you do it on each side, then the corner's going to be sagging down a bit. So if you just tighten it up in the corner first, then you don't have any problems. So now we've got the first one in, we've got to keep making sure we're lining up 60mm along. But you can't just go screwing it in there, because you don't know how tight this is going to be. So you got to start doing it every now and then, just work out how many you want. So I just go one there, one in the corner, and one there. And that's all you got to do. Alright, so after I've screwed it all in and it's in perfect place, I like to take it off, because you get all the metal shavings. And if you leave that, that's just going to rust and then cause problems. So when I take it off, I'll just put some silicone on there and screw it back in, and it's all done. Now that it's all in, we just want to cut it out there where it looks right. Set of tin snips. So I get our mud flap, I'm just going to put this on, obviously to stop the mud and everything else getting in, ruining the paint. There you have it, all done. Saved $300, may not look as good, but doesn't matter, $300 saved. And if you liked it and you want to know how to do more things in the future, subscribe. Thanks.